After 60, the body doesn't fail all at once. It whispers first. You notice it when getting out of a chair takes more effort. When stairs feel higher than they used to. When balance feels just a little uncertain. Most people think this is just aging. But in Japan, where people live longer, walk longer, and stay independent well into old age, doctors say something very different. They say leg weakness is optional. Today, you're going to learn the exact leg strengthening movements Japanese seniors quietly practice every day, movements so gentle they protect the knees, yet so effective they can double functional leg strength after 60. No gym. No heavy weights. No painful impact. And in part 1, we'll focus on why Japanese seniors stay strong, and the first 3 exercises that build the foundation for powerful legs at any age. Channel intro. Welcome to Senior Fit Secrets, the channel dedicated to helping adults over 60 stay strong, balanced, and independent using safe, science-backed habits from around the world. Here, we focus on real movement, real longevity, and realistic routines you can actually stick with. Let's begin. Why leg strength decides independence after 60? In medical research, leg strength is one of the strongest predictors of longevity. Not cholesterol. Not weight. Not even blood pressure alone. Strong legs mean better balance, faster reaction time, improved circulation, fewer falls, greater independence. In Japan, doctors often say, if the legs remain strong, the body remains young. That's because leg muscles act like engines. When they weaken, everything slows down, including metabolism, circulation, and coordination. The Japanese approach is different from Western fitness. Instead of pushing harder, they move smarter. Instead of intense workouts, they use frequent low-impact movement. Now let's start with the first 3 Japanese exercises that form the base of lifelong leg strength. Exercise 1, Japanese chair squats, foundation of strength. If Japanese seniors had to choose only one exercise, this would be it. Chair squats are considered a daily necessity, not a workout. Why this exercise is essential after 60? Standing up from a chair uses thigh muscles, hip muscles, core stabilizers, knee supporting muscles. If this movement weakens, independence disappears quickly. Japanese research shows seniors who can stand repeatedly without assistance live longer and fall less. How to perform the Japanese way. Sit on a firm chair, feet shoulder width apart, keep your chest upright, slowly stand up, pause briefly, slowly sit back down. The key word is slow. No momentum. No dropping down. Repetitions: beginners, 5 to 8, intermediate, 10 to 15, advanced seniors, up to 20. This movement alone activates more muscle fibers than most gym machines. Why slow movement builds more strength? Japanese seniors move slowly on purpose. Slower movement activates deeper muscle fibers, improves joint awareness, protects cartilage, reduces injury risk. Fast movements rely on momentum. Slow movements rely on muscle control. That's why these exercises work even at low intensity. Exercise 2, heel to toe walking, balance reprogramming. Balance loss is not just about weak legs. It's about weak communication between the feet, ankles, and brain. Japanese seniors train this connection daily. Why heel to toe walking matters? As we age, ankles stiffen, foot muscles weaken, steps become shorter, stability decreases. Heel to toe walking retrains the nervous system. How to perform safely. Stand tall near a wall, step forward placing your heel directly in front of the opposite toe, keep your eyes forward, walk slowly and deliberately. Duration, 10 to 20 steps, 1 to 2 rounds. This simple movement strengthens ankles, calves, inner thighs, balance reflexes. Japanese doctors consider this a fall prevention exercise, not just fitness. Why fall prevention starts with the feet. Most falls don't start at the hips or knees. They start at the feet. Weak feet equals delayed reactions. Japanese seniors often walk barefoot indoors to keep foot muscles active, something rarely discussed in Western fitness. Strong feet create strong legs. Exercise 3. Seated leg extensions. Knee protection. Knee pain is one of the biggest reasons seniors stop exercising. Japanese rehabilitation clinics use this movement to rebuild strength without stressing the joint. Why it works. This exercise strengthens the quadriceps, the muscles that support the knee, absorb shock, control walking. Weak quadriceps equals unstable knees. How to do it correctly. Sit upright, extend one leg forward, keep toes pointing up, hold for 3 to 5 seconds, lower slowly, switch legs. Repetitions, 10 per leg, 2 sets. This movement improves knee confidence and walking endurance. How these first 3 exercises work together when combined. Chair squats build power, heel to toe walking builds balance, leg extensions protect the knees. Together, they create a stable, strong lower body. Japanese seniors perform these movements daily, not occasionally. What most seniors do wrong. Important. Many well-meaning seniors accidentally weaken their legs by avoiding movement due to fear, sitting too long, relying only on walking, moving too fast. Walking alone is not enough. You must challenge muscles gently to keep them alive. What to expect after 2 to 4 weeks with consistent practice. Standing feels easier, knees feel more stable, balance improves, confidence increases. Not overnight, but steadily. That's the Japanese way. Part 1 closing. Soft transition. Today, you learned why Japanese seniors stay strong, and the first 3 exercises that build the foundation for powerful legs after 60. In Part 2, we'll reveal the second heart exercise for circulation, the hip strength move that prevents falls, the Japanese walking method that quietly doubles leg strength, and how to combine all 6 into a simple daily routine. Small blue diamond emoji. Step 2, Part 2 continuation, 4,000 words opening recap. Short. In Part 1, you learned why leg strength determines independence, and the first 3 Japanese exercises that protect knees, balance, and daily movement. Now, we continue with the final 3 exercises that complete the system, including one movement Japanese doctors consider essential for longevity. Exercise 4, Calf raises, the second heart. In Japan, calf muscles are called the second heart. Why? Because they help pump blood back up the body. Weak calves equals poor circulation. Poor circulation equals fatigue, swelling, and weakness. Benefits after 60, improves blood flow, reduces ankle swelling, strengthens walking power, supports balance. How to do it. Hold a chair, slowly rise onto your toes, hold for 2 seconds, lower slowly. Repetitions, 15 to 20, 1 to 2 sets. Many Japanese seniors do this every morning and evening. Why circulation declines with age. As muscles weaken, blood flow slows. Calf raises restore this natural pump, improving energy and leg endurance. Exercise 5, Side leg lifts, hip stability training. Weak hips are one of the biggest causes of falls. Japanese seniors strengthen hips intentionally. Why hips matter. Control side-to-side movement, stabilize walking, protect the lower back. How to do it. Stand beside a chair, lift one leg to the side, keep toes forward, lower slowly. Repetitions, 10 to 15 per side. This builds the muscles that keep you upright. Exercise 6, Japanese slow walking, Namba style. This is the secret. Japanese seniors don't rush their steps. They walk with control, posture, and rhythm. How to practice. Short steps, heel to toe landing, relaxed arms, upright spine. Why it works. Slow walking activates deep leg muscles, reduces joint stress, improves coordination, builds endurance safely. Just 5 to 10 minutes daily is powerful. The complete Japanese leg routine. Chair squats, 3 minutes, Heel to toe walk, 2 minutes, leg extensions, 4 minutes, calf raises, 3 minutes, side leg lifts, 3 minutes, slow walking, 5 minutes total, 20 minutes. Aging does not require weakness. Japanese seniors don't fight aging, they move with it. They protect their legs. They protect their balance. They protect their independence. And you can too. This is Senior Fit Secrets, where strong aging begins.